Good morning student, welcome in the mathematics class. Today we will see one important question of polynomial. Obtain all the zeros of polynomial 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So this is the polynomial of degree 4. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, means this is the degree 4 polynomial and two of its zeros are given and obtain all the zeros, and we have to find out the remaining zeros. So we know that if for degree 4 polynomial, number of zeros will be 4, because number of zeros is always equal to the degree of polynomial. Okay, so out of 4, 2 zeros are already given to us and remaining 2 we have to obtain. So how we can obtain? So we can obtain the remaining 2 zeros with the help of given 2 zeros. So what we will do first, here root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of polynomial. Then we know that if root 5 by 3 is a 0, then x minus root 5 by 3 will be factor. Okay, and if minus root 5 by 3 is a 0, then x plus root 5 by 3 will be factor. Will be the factor of polynomial. Okay. So now we will find the product of given two factor. Product of factors, so that will be equal to x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. We will find the product of given two factors. So it will come x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square. What we did here we applied the identity a minus b, a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. A square means x square minus b square means root 5 by 3 whole square. So we will get here x square and minus 5 by 3. Okay, so when we will simplify, we will get 3x square minus 5 by 3. So this can be written as 3x square minus 5 by 3. So this, if we will put equal to 0, and we can write like this 1 by 3, 3x square minus 5. So here 1 by 3 and 3x square minus 5, 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5 is the factor of given polynomial. So obviously this 3x square minus 5 is a factor of given polynomial. So what we will do with this 3x square minus 5, we will divide the given polynomial. We will divide f of x by 3x square minus 5. What will happen? So if we will divide the given polynomial by the product of given factors, given zeros, so we will get the product of remaining two zeros in the form of quotient. So let us divide. Okay. So we will divide now. Okay, 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, that we have to divide with 3x square minus 5. So how many times it will go? Again the same thing. The first term of dividend we will divide with the first term of divisor. That will be 3x raised to the power 4. We will divide with 3x square. Okay, first term with the first term. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled out and it will come x square. It means what will be the first term of the quotient? The first term of the quotient will be x square. So x square will be multiplied with this. So we will get 3x raised to the power 4. X square when multiplied with 5, it will give us minus 5x square. So a square term should be written just below of a square term. Okay. So here just below of cube term you can write 0 into x cube because there is no cubic term. So the coefficient, it means coefficient will be 0. Now we will change minus, minus and plus. So this will be cancelled out. Okay. And what we will get here? 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5. So it will come plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay. Let us divide again. How many times it will go? Again the same thing. First term divide with the first term. To know how many times it will divide. 6x cube we will divide with 3x square. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 2x times plus 2x times. So we will write here plus 2x. 2x we will multiply with this. So we will get 6x cube. 2x will be multiplied with this. So we will get minus 10x. Okay. So here again the same thing. There is no square term. So we can write the square term with using coefficient 0. That will be negative, negative, and this is positive. This will be cancelled out and we will get here 3x square and here this will be cancelled out minus 10x and plus 10x and we will get here minus 5. Okay. As we know 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5. So it will go plus 1 time. So we will get here 3x square minus 5. It will be cancelled out and you will get remainder 0. Here remainder is 0. So in this way whatever quotient we will get, that quotient is the product of remaining two factors. So we will find out the remaining two factors from this quotient. Okay. So now I am going to rub this one. So our quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. So if we will find the factor, what we will get? X square plus x plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus x plus 1. Look at here. The first two we will take in one bracket and the last two we will take in another bracket. So here we can take common x. So here it will come x plus 1. Here there is nothing to take common, so we can take common 1. Okay, so it will come x plus 1 and here also x plus 1. So in this way we will get the remaining two zeros. Okay, so if both the factors we will equate to 0, so we will get x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So these are the remaining two zeros. So in this way all the zeros of f of x are, the 2 was already given to us, that was root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, and remaining 2 we obtained, that is minus 1 and minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. So in this way we can obtain all the zeros of the polynomial. So it is a very important question. This type of questions you practice more, similar questions. Okay, and if there is any doubt you can ask anytime. Thank you students, have a nice day.